and welcome back everybody. In today's video, we are going to guide you through the process to use WhatsApp Wave on your phone. So if you're wanting to use same WhatsApp in two phones and you are looking on how to do so, you may follow up this method for that. So if you want to use it on your web, you just need to go ahead and on your particular device, navigate to your browser and go to wave.whatsapp.com. So directly search for wave.whatsapp.com and hit go. And once you do so, it will open up the page right here, and here you'll be finding WhatsApp. So you can just go over and access it through. If the full version of the site does not appear, you can look out for the desktop site. Tap on the three dot in the top and select the option for desktop site and enable it. And there we go. Now what you need to do is basically go ahead and here a QR code will be appearing on the second phone screen. Now on your primary phone, you need to open up the WhatsApp. So let me just show you. So for example, let's say this is your primary phone as well. So open up WhatsApp. And then once you open up WhatsApp, look out for the three dot in the top and tap on it. And select the option for link devices. And you just need to go ahead and tap on this option called link a device. And here, just go over and scan the QR code on the second phone's browser, this one right here. And once you scan it up, it will link with your primary phone. So you need to confirm it up, and once it is confirmed, you will be accessing your WhatsApp on your secondary device, and do so. And you can enable request desktop site as well on the second phone's browser and scan the QR code, and that is how you basically use the WhatsApp Wave in two devices at the same time. In your primary device, you can go ahead and install the WhatsApp application, whereas in the secondary one, you can go to the browser and access WhatsApp Wave. And just go over and scan the QR code, and that will allow you to access the WhatsApp Wave in your device. So that is it everybody. You may follow up this method for that. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorial.